So let's take a couple of looks at a couple of examples here that involve the ASA postulate and the AAS theorem. So which two triangles here are congruent by angle, side, angle? Remember, the side is between the angles. So if we look here, you'll see that this triangle has an angle, a side, and an angle, and that side is in between. The same with these. But this one, the side is not included. So this one is not the triangle we're looking at. We're looking at those two triangles. So triangle ONE is congruent to triangle USV because of the ASA postulate. Okay, now we want to take a look at a proof. So here's a proof that we want to do. We have some given information, which I rewrote already. You have to write the given information over here, and then for the reason you write given. Here's a picture. So we know that angle CAB is congruent to DAE. So CAB, this one is congruent to DAE. So they're marked congruent. Segment BA and EA are congruent. They're marked congruent. And B and E are right angles. So they're marked as right angles. These are not congruent marks, by the way. Now, we know that 90-degree angles are congruent, but these don't really say that. They just say that we have two right angles here. So we're going to have to say that they're congruent for a reason. So here's the given information. So now what I need to do is I do need to say that angle B and angle C are congruent. Why? Because the reason is all right angles are congruent. That's a statement that we had to make earlier. So now that we know that, we can actually mark these as congruent. And now if you look, you can see, oh, and I need to write down here that we do have an angle and a side, and now a second angle. So we now do have our ASA, and it's in the right order. So now I can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle AED because of angle, side, angle. And that proof isn't too bad.